Unholy war, but demons are coming. Boy, you better run. Go take your freedom, order within the water. Be gone by morning. Don't you let them find you here. Oh no. Let love lead you home. Oh no. Let redemption keep you warm. So you better run. You better run. Time has come. Future is now. Oh Lord, stage is yours. Go take your bow. Weather the storm. The clouds will pass you by. Hit the road. Leave your sorrows behind. Or would you let love lead you home? Oh, please. Let redemption keep you warm. So you better run. You gotta leave me there. Oh, no, no. Oh, no. I know it's killing you. I know it's killing you. Oh, you gotta leave me there. Yeah. So you better run.
This dance is called Unholy War, choreographed by Jean-Pierre Madge. It's a 40 count, 2 war, phrase, high intermediate level, rolling 8 count, 9 dance. There are 2 parts in this dance. Part A has 32 count and Part B has 8 count. The dancing sequence is A 16 count, B, B. A 16 count, B, B. A, B, 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 B. Now let me go over the step for Part A. Part A has 32 count. Section 1, starting with the right foot. Cross walk, recover, side, cross. Quarter turn left, stepping back. Back rock, recover. Full turn to your right. Half turn right, stepping back. Half turn right, stepping forward with a sweep. Cross, side, behind with a sweep. Behind, quarter turn left, stepping forward, step forward. Section 2, forward with a hitch, coaster step. Pivot half turn left, make another half turn left, stepping back. Quarter turn left, stepping to side and sway to left, sway to right. Quarter turn right, ball step to side, lock behind, unwind 3/4 turn right with a sweep, now facing 3 o'clock. Section 3, forward, half turn left, stepping back, back, hook. Forward, quarter turn right, point. Quarter turn left, stepping forward, quarter turn right, point. Quarter turn right, stepping forward with a sweep. Cross, side, behind, side rock, recover, behind, quarter turn left, stepping forward. Section 4, step forward and make a spiral full turn left, forward. Forward mambo with a half turn right. Forward rock recover, half turn right, stepping forward. Half turn right, step, lock, step. 1/8 turn right, forward. 1/8 turn right, cross. 1/8 turn right, stepping to side. 1/8 turn right, back rock, recover with a hitch. Right foot, twinkle step, angle body to right. Left foot, twinkle step, angle body to left. Last step, now with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and R2, R3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and R. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and R2, R3, R4, 5, 6 and R7, A and R. 1, 2, 3 and R4 and R5, 6, 7 and R, A and R. Last count for part A. Now let me show you the step for part B. Part B has 8 count. Section 1, starting with the right foot, cross, side rock recover, cross, and roll your hand from shoulder to your hand. 1/8 turn left, stepping back, back, back. 1/8 turn left, stepping to side and sway to left. Sway to right, quarter turn left, stepping forward. 2-step pivot, half turn left. Forward, pivot, half turn left. Forward, pivot, half turn left. Last step for part B, now with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and R2, 3 and R4, 5, 6 R7, R8. Last part B. Now let me show you part A, 16 count with the change step. You will be facing backward. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and R2, R3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and R. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6. Quarter turn right, stepping left foot to left side and sway to left, sway to right, together. Count here is 7, 8, R. Then connect to the B. 1 and R2. That's the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.